lesson 43 for pink group and fruit flies. I'm sorry, I couldn't think. So we're gonna make up a definition. We're gonna make up definitions. Definitions are meanings for words. Meanings for words. So we're gonna make up definitions today. We're gonna start with the word bird. With the word bird. We're gonna make up a definition for the word bird. So when we make up definitions, sorry, Miss Thomas talks so fast. First, we name a class. Then we say something that is true of only a bird. So first, we name a class. Then we say something that is true of only a bird. So remember, first we name a class. What do we do first when we make up a definition? Name a class. Yes, we name a class. Next, we say something that is true of only a bird. What do we do next? Say something that is true of only a bird. One more time. Everybody, what we do first? What do we do first when we make up a definition? What do we do next? Get ready. Yes, first we make up first we name a class. Next we say something that is true of only a bird. Now let's make up the definition. Everybody, what do we do first? Get ready. Yes, we name a class for a bird. So name a class for a bird. We're going to use the class of animals. So yes, a bird is an animal. We named a class. So remember, first we name a class. Now what do we do? Get ready. We say something that is true of only a bird. So now say something that is true of only a bird. A bird has many things, but we're gonna say that a bird has feathers. So something that is true of only a bird is that it has feathers. So we're gonna, first when we make up a definition, we name a class. So we named a class for a bird, which we use animals. Now we named a class for a bird. Now we said something that is true of a bird in that it has feathers. So I'm gonna say the whole definition. Listen. A bird is an animal that has feathers. Your turn. Say the definition for a bird. Get ready. One more time. Say the definition for a bird. Get ready. Oh, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna make up a definition for hammer. For the word hammer. Listen, what do we do first? Get ready. Name a class. First we name a class. Name a class for a hammer. Listen, tools. Yes, a hammer is in the class of tools. We named a class. Now what do we do? You ready? So first we name the class. Now we say something that is true of only a hammer. Good job. So now say something that is true of only a hammer. Think about a hammer. Say something that is true of only a hammer. Listen, I think a hammer is used to pound nails. I don't know anything else used to pound nails, so that is true of only a hammer. I'm going to say the definition for a hammer. Listen, a hammer is a tool you pound nails with. Your turn. Say the definition. Get ready. A hammer is a tool you pound nails with. Good job. Now let's see if you can remember these definitions. Everybody say the definition for a bird. Get ready. A bird is an animal that has feathers. Good job. Now everybody say the definition for hammer. Think about it. Get ready. A hammer is a tool you pound nails with. Good job, friends. So, I'm going to say statements. Some of these statements are true and some are false. You're going to tell me about each statement. Listen. The sun shines at night. True or false? There is water in the ocean. True or false? A plant is an animal. True or false? Glasses are made out of wood. True or false? Listen again one more time. The sun shines at night. True or false? False. Good job. A car is a vehicle. True or false? True. There is water in the ocean. True or false? True. A plant is an animal. True or false? False. Glasses are made out of wood. True or false? False. My turn. I'm going to make up a statement about the sun that is true. Listen. The sun is hot. That statement is true. Your turn. Make up a statement about the sun that is true. Listen, my turn. I'm going to make up statements about the sun that are false. Listen, the sun is square. The sun has legs. The sun is a vehicle. All those statements are false. Your turn. Make up a statement about the sun that is false. Good job. Let's keep going. Verb tense. Listen. Tomorrow the cars will be on the street. Today the cars are on the street. Yesterday the cars were on the street. Listen to Miss Thomas again. Tomorrow the cars will be on the street. Today the cars are on the street. Yesterday the cars were on the street. I'll make this statement about the cars tomorrow. Listen. Tomorrow the cars will be on the street. Your turn. Make this statement about the cars tomorrow. Get ready. Tomorrow the cars will be on the street. Listen, I'll make this statement about the cars today. Today the cars are on the street. Your turn. Make the statement about the cars today. Get ready. Listen, I'll make the statement about the cars yesterday. Listen, yesterday the cars were on the street. Your turn. Make the statement about the cars yesterday. Get ready. Yesterday the cars were on the street. So listen to these statements. Today the car is on the street. Tomorrow the car will be on the street. Yesterday the car was on the street. Listen again. Today the car is on the street. Tomorrow the car will be on the street. Yesterday the car was on the street. Make the statement about the car today. Get ready. Listen. Make a statement about the car today. Get ready. Today, the car is on the street. Listen. Make a statement about the car tomorrow. Make a statement about the car tomorrow. You ready? Tomorrow the car will be on the street. Listen, good job. Make a statement about the car yesterday. Make the statement about the car yesterday. You ready? Right. Yesterday the car was on the street. Listen, we're going to classify things. When we classify objects, we put them into groups. Yes, we put them into groups. So I'm thinking of a cat. I'm going to name some classes a cat is in. Mirrors are on. Make your small circles. Listen, here's the smallest class. Cats. Here's the next bigger class. Pets. And here's the bigger class. Animals. But listen, here's a really big class. Living things. One more time. Smallest circle. Mirrors are still on. Here's the smallest class for cats. Cats. Here's the next bigger class. Pets. Here's the next bigger class. Animals. And here's a really big class. Living things. Which class has the most kinds of things in it? Cats, pets, animals, or living things? Get ready. Yes, living things. Now it's your turn to make some classes a cat is in. What's the smallest class for a cat? Get ready. Cats. Listen. What's the next bigger class? Get ready. Pets. What's the next bigger class? Get ready. Animals. And what's a really big class? Get ready. Living things. There is one kind of object you will find in all of those classes. Everybody name the kind of object you will find in all of the classes we just named. Get ready. A cat. So for some friends, this lesson may have been confusing because we introduced a lot of new things. So I would recommend 2 days on this lesson. Also with going back to any parts that were misunderstood. And that concludes the lesson today.